Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Went to Portishead today. I think there's about 5 charity shops there. One of my favourites, Wooden Kit, Kiteapult, stamped rather than laser cut. So it's probably older stock. Most of them seem to be laser cut nowadays. Kiteapult, they've actually got a website where they do have animations on how to build some of their products. Not all of them, but some of them. That might even be what that QR code is. But that'll go in my stock of wooden kits to make. I don't think I've made one of these before. 4 sheets of wood, so I don't think I'll put that in the car. That'll take a bit longer to assemble than the ones that I do sitting in the car. So that might go on holiday with me. And then the reason we're doing this looking at the floor is this is too big to see sitting on the table. I saw these either in Lidl or Aldi, one of those sorts of places. A Kiteapult. There we are. We've got a catapult with a reel on the front of it for the line. You attach the Kiteapult to the catapult, launch it, and if you launch it with the line attached, when it gets to the top of its flight, you can actually fly it like a kite. But it will also work as a glider. It tells you somewhere. Oh, instructional video on that QR code. Glider will only fly in low wind conditions. Kite will only fly in steady wind of 10 miles per hour or greater. Some practice is required to master launching and flying the kite. I have an idea they were sort of £8 or £9. Doesn't say Lidl on it, so this may not be one of the ones that I saw there. Manufactured by Tucker Toys and sold by a Vivid Toy Group. Yeah, so it may not be one of the little ones. I keep saying little because that's in the back of my mind. 2016. Now, on the face of it, it's got all the cable ties holding it together, but I think, well, I am certain that somebody has actually carefully put ties back on there, kept the original packaging and put it back together. I did notice in the shop there's a couple of little rubber bands here that have actually break if I pull them. The other one did. Yeah, there we go. So they got no strength at all, but those are the ones that make the wings flick up. So let's just open this one. You've got a rubber band on there. It may have been in storage for a long time, I suppose. But that's a bit crinkled as if it has been used. And it's not big. Or let's put it another way, it's small. See, it's still got the labels on it. Before launching, the fabric cover must be pulled over the foam nose. I see. It's still going to need, yeah, those will need to be replaced. Don't think, I've got some loom bands here, but I don't think they'll be strong enough. They're much lighter. Actually, most of the spring is coming from this. Look at these. They feel all right. I don't know, this may never have been used. Either that or somebody's been extremely careful putting it back together. It cost me £4. Learn how to fly your Kiteapult training video. Shows you how at kiteapult.com. Or QR code. Yeah. So that's the clip that goes to the glider kite. I would worry about these breaking because they're going to be a few years old. I see that. That's to pull it down. Oh, I bet that's what you hold to actually launch it. I will have to look at the instructions in a minute. That's my guess. You pull that like that. So that holds it in as you launch it. I'll have a look for the instructions or the training video. I did pick up these from my stock of stuff. They may be too strong. Or not stretchy enough. Maybe if I just get a load more loom bands, put half a dozen on there. It's got to be worth a try anyway, hasn't it? If you're just going to use it as a glider, you remove the tail. If you're going to fly it as a kite, then you do use the tail. Yeah, all these rubber, it's just falling apart. I think it's been used and I think it's been put away very carefully. And I think we might have to take it out and give it a try. Yeah, got to be worth a try, hasn't it? That's a bit springy to reduce the shock, I should think. That's just to tuck it out of the way. Yeah, novelty value, if nothing else. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.